In this video, we're going to show you how to make over $200 a day from the comfort of your own home without any telemarketing and no multi-level marketing. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. Hello, hashtag Insanefriends. Today, I'm going to show you how I make over $200 a day selling junk hardly anybody wants, and most people don't even know what it is, on eBay. Over $200 a day. Now, this is not even the good stuff. And I do it in a messy home office. This is probably the messiest room in the house. In the nice, warm house. Don't even have to leave the house. Making over $200 a day. This does not include any of my e-commerce sites, any of my other online ventures, my other online businesses and stuff. Those are additional income. This is nothing but one of my eBay stores. Now, I have a second eBay store with better products on it, but this is the worst stuff, some of the worst stuff that you could probably try to sell on eBay, and I still make over $200 a day. So this is proof that you can just take junk laying around the house and market it correctly, do a good job on your ads, and you can turn that stuff into money. Now, what stuff am I talking about? Well, look here. Here's my daily sales. Now, I've already packaged up a couple of these, so they're not on this list anymore. There's the Focus. There's that top one's a snap ring. The next one's a case half. I'm going to show you that in a minute. Look in the right-hand column. You'll see right here, right there, $17.94. 123, 17, 11, and now this one includes some shipping. I did that one free shipping, that one shipping and all. This one included some shipping, and that is a piston. That's a piece off of an engine. Like I said, you probably don't recognize these any more than most people do, but it doesn't matter. You can get money for this stuff. This is already packaged up. That's already packaged up. This was the sprocket. For a 4T65E, that was $32.98. This other thing was a shaft that was $24.42. So there's over $50 right there. This case half right here was $123.99. You saw it on the screen there. This thing right here that looks like a piece of junk is actually a baffle off of a Corvair engine. Now, nobody would give me anything, no matter how many ads I ran, no matter how many platforms I put it on, nobody would give me anything for this engine. The engine had a lot of good parts in it. It did need to be rebuilt, so it wasn't a good running engine, but the value was in the parts. Until I went through the work and time and trouble and willing to get dirty and tear it down and identify the good parts and separate out the bad parts, put these good parts. I know that doesn't look good, but it is. It's good to somebody. And it had to be on there for a few months. This one did. And that's another secret to getting $200 a day on eBay. You see how this adds up to $228 just for today's sales. And this is the only work I have to do today. I just got to box these things up, and I've made over $200. You know, that's not an 8-hour day. That's just, a couple hours, and if I list this many things more on the eBay, then, my sales won't drop. And that's not a whole day's work. So, you can do this, and this isn't even the good stuff. Look, this piston right here, that was $11.98. That's going to slip down in a padded envelope. I just slip it in a padded envelope, and away it goes. Print a label, stick it on there. That's not work. So, you might get a little bit dirty. You might get some dirt on your fingers. But you're not having to work hard. And this comes from junk that I tore down. You tear it down to its individual pieces. You do some research work to find out exactly what it is, or what year model it is, to the best of your ability, and put as much information, correct information as you can in your listings. Get it on there. And you got to get quite a few things on your eBay before things are going to start moving. One thing I should point out, if you start with stuff that you've got laying around, it's probably not going to be the same stuff that I have, but you're equally going to think, nobody's going to pay anything for this. nobody wants this. Most people don't even know what it is. Get that out of your head and go ahead and list it anyway, because you may be surprised. You may end up making $200 a day once you get enough stuff listed on there. And if you go out and source stuff that's a lot better than what I have, which is really easy to do because, and you know, that's what I'm doing with my other eBay store. It's just that I already have this stuff and I need to get rid of it, and I'd rather make $200 a day than throw it away. But if you don't have this stuff, don't get this stuff. Don't get this stuff that I'm showing you right now, because this stuff is if I can make $200 a day on this and you get better stuff and list better stuff that people, when they look at it, they know what it is, you could be making $2,000 a day off better inventory. And that's what I'm going to do, and that's the reason I'm telling you to do this, because once I get rid of all this kind of stuff, I'm going to be getting better inventory, better items, and putting them on that second eBay that I'm building now, and be making a couple $1,000s a day instead of $200 a day, and scale it up. You know, for the same amount of work, I'll be 10xing my money. By then, I'll probably already be making a couple hundred or a couple $1,000s a day off my other e-commerce sites with my affiliate marketing and stuff like that. So, unless you already have a lot of this kind of stuff that I'm showing you here laying around already, then go source better stuff and make more than I'm making doing the same thing. But either way, put something on eBay. Start some kind of store, or start a website drop shipping things, or start a blog promoting ClickBank products. But get in there and do something. Make you a messy desk and get out your laptop and get to doing. Take some action. Make you some money. If you want me to make a video showing you how many items I have on this eBay store that makes $200 a day, and how much those items are worth, you know, the total amount that it's worth, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll make that video. And I'll show you this eBay store. I'll show you how many items are on it, and I'll show you, you know, how much those items are worth as they're listed. I'll even show you the stack of last year's receipts for shipping the stuff and how many things I shipped. You'd be surprised if you ask me to do that. I'll make that video. Till the next video, to all my hashtag insane friends, we're wishing you hashtag insane growth.